I'm so happy that I took my TOEIC test for my English examination needed for my CGNFS certification. Last December, I took my listening and reading, and I was a bit shocked with the result. With a less time of preparation, I still got a high score needed for my state. Then I rebooked my speaking and writing after a month due to my anxiety. And fortunately, with God's will, I aced the exam and got the result after 2 weeks. I'm grateful with Hopkins International Partners for the smooth transaction, friendly, and very responsive staff. Thank you for helping me to upload the result to my CGFNS account. Now that I am certified, I am closer to my American dream.